The property price is not the full investment. A lot of buyers underestimate the ongoing costs that come with property ownership. The main upfront fee is usually the Dubai Land Department fee, which, as we've mentioned, is typically around 4% of purchase price. But that's not always just it. There may also be things such as admin fees, registration fees, or trustee fees. If a mortgage is involved, there can also be mortgage registration fees, valuation fees, as well as bank arrangement fees. And after handover, the main ongoing expense for you, the investor, are service charges. Service charges cover building maintenance, security, things like elevators, landscaping, common area maintenance, if there's a pool or a gym, as well as the overall management of the building. The actual amount can vary significantly depending on the project. If it's an apartment building, for example, we're looking at the facilities, also the developer, as well as the unit size. One of the biggest mistakes that investors make is calculating returns based only on rent versus purchase price. Serious investors focus on net return, not gross return. That means that they factor in the service charge, the maintenance, vacancy periods if they're looking at short-term rentals, management costs, as well as future selling costs.